Hey, it's JC here at JC's Comics and More, your pop culture superstore at 6725 West Central Avenue. That is Toledo, Ohio, 43617, 419-531-6097. Instagram, JC's Comics and More, www.jcscomicsandmore.com. Got Chuck here. We're doing a little bit of unboxing. Got a couple of these statues to do. This is the Marvel Premiere Hobgoblin statue. It says this is number 830 of 5,000 or 1,500. 1,500, I do believe. So let's have a look-see. Pull the resin statue out. We check all of our statues just in case they're damaged, because you just never know. And if they're damaged, I can send them back, I can get a credit, and they'll send me a replacement if they are available. Whereas if I wait until months or years later, they'll laugh at me and tell me that, sorry about your luck. We have 830 of 3,000, which these boxes say 1,500, so they probably did 1,500 initially, and then if they need to do more, they'll go back and do an additional run. But here we've got the certificate. Again, 830 of 3,000. Go look at the Hobgoblin statue there. We'll look at the box. Hand sculpted by Jean St. Jean. Designed by Joe Aldred. Slow and steady wins the race, says Marge Simpson. As Nelson goes past her laughing at her. Okay. Set this box aside. Get Chuck out to cut this thing open. Gut it like a fish. Okay, doesn't seem to be a clear-cut way to open this. Alright, there's first glance. It appears to be in one piece. It looks very, very cool. Very, very cool. Alright. Very heavy plastic smell, resin smell on this one here. The paint job looks very, very good. Okay. Let's put him sitting up here where the camera is. Grab the camera. Look, see. Very cool. We'll have some pictures on the shop's Facebook, and I'll try to post some, hopefully, on Instagram whenever I can get a chance to get them Instagram. And you can see the costume is torn in half, much like the cover to Amazing 238, his first appearance. There's his bag of tricks. Hard to believe that you can fit pumpkin bombs in there. They need to explain that perhaps that the pumpkin bombs are miniature, that once exposed to air, they enlarge to their actual size. But chainmail, very nice looking. Goblin glider. Look on the bottom, and actually it does have the number on the bottom. These, I believe, sell for $150. That's a hell of a good price on this statue. Okay, I'm going to pause this as we put this back away and grab the next one. Okay, here's the second one. You see the box itself from the packing kind of took a bit of a beating here. And this is number 1085. And luckily the package itself, the box itself, is pretty unscathed. Again, got 1085 there. Let's get this out now. This one certainly slid out faster than the previous one. Feel the static on this one here. Probably can't see as it's making my hair stand up. Can't recall, I believe somebody was asking about these statues, so I certainly hope that they come in and pick this statue up this week. It would be nice. Get some of my investment back. Packed just a little differently as far as the paper goes, or as far as the plastic goes. Again, you got to be careful when you take it out, because since you have this costume here, you can easily snap pieces of that off. So you have to be very careful in the removal of your Hobgoblin. Okay, we'll put him up here as well. Again, the camera decided to zoom in as it does. And I forgot to mention in the previous one, if you look at the face looks like a perfect recreation of John Sr. and Romita's Hobgoblin from the front of that issue. Got the smoke. Again, just how the Goblin glider looks. The costume itself. See again the shreds. Can't really see the spider on his back. That seems to be the one detail that that they weren't able to replicate properly. And that's too bad. But you see the tattered cape, And also you see on there the tools that they used are still, you can still see the indentations of some of those tools. You got the ripples. Again, very, very, very nice. This would be an excellent addition to anyone's Spider-Man statue collection or statue collection in general. And again, it's only $150. It's not an expensive sideshow statue that you'd pay, $400, $500, $600 for. I think certainly has the same type of quality. But if you do like these videos, as always, be sure to subscribe and smash that bell for notification. And very importantly, be sure to share this on whatever your social media, your Facebook pages, or whatever. Spread the love. And let's try to get the subscribers up and over 900 by the end of August. Other than that, thank you for watching. Enjoy this last Tuesday of July. Take care. Thanks.